Good morning, guys. So this is my vegetable garden right here. So this is going to be a math review lesson, and the first thing we're going to talk about is how many sides my garden is. So we see here, I'm just going to tap it with my foot. One side. This is 2, and it rained a little bit last night, so there's some rain here. This side's very long. 3, right here. We go over here, another long side. 4. We've got the back of the garden is 5. I'm just walking around. 6, 7, 8. So if it was connected here, this would be an octagon, but it's not connected here. It actually goes inside. And we've got 9 right here. This is side 9. Then this little one is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So as a bonus point today is I want you to look up what a 16-sided polygon is actually called. We did not actually learn that terminology, but I'd like you to look it up and type it for me onto Dojo, and that will be a bonus point for you for your homework. All right, so now let's go over what vegetables I'm actually going to plant in the garden, and then we're going to talk about each category of vegetables. So here I have zucchini, which is a type of squash, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays of zucchini, and then I have one just large zucchini plant. Different nurseries, like I said in our herb garden, sell their plants different ways. So if we look at the zucchini, we look at the bottom, and it's just like with the herbs, a 2x2 array. So we know that there's 4 zucchini plants there, 4 zucchini plants there, 4 zucchini plants there, 4 here, 4 here, and then the one additional one right here. So if we count by 4s, we say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, plus one more would be 21. So I'm putting 21 zucchini plants into my vegetable garden. Okay, so now let's look over here, and I have a sugar pea, just one tray of 4. So 4 sugar pea plants. Broccoli, you see right there the tag says broccoli. And I have 1 tray of 4 broccolis. My kids don't like broccoli very much. Then I have 1, 2 trays of eggplant, because I love eggplant so much. And each one has 4. So if we count by 4s here, we have 4 plus 4 more would be 8 eggplant plants. And then over here, this nursery that we found the cucumbers at, they just had large plants. So we got 3 large plants of cucumbers. Over here, this is definitely my very, very favorite tray of all. These are onions that grow underground, like onions you cut up. They're called yellow onions. And if you look real close, do you see all these little pockets? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each column has 4, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. Or I'm sorry, each row has 10, and there's 4 rows. So that is also going to be a math problem at the end. I'm not going to tell you how many onion plants we have. That's going to be your homework at the end. What a 10 by 4 array, how many onion plants I'm actually planting. But how cool is that? See how they're all so little on the bottom? Isn't that so neat? I love this one. So here you see I've got 3, 1, oh no, I'm sorry, I was wrong. 2 large tomato plants. These are really big. Look at how big that is. And they grow super tall. You need to have a cage around them because it's going to make so many tomatoes. This is the place I got them at last year, and it was ridiculous. Then this is a tomato plant called Big Boys, and this comes in a tray with 3 in one row, and there's 2 rows. So 3 plus 3 would be 6. So 6 big boy tomatoes and 2, these are called Mountain Fresh tomato, large plants. I actually have more coming. Those are just the 2 that I have now. And then over here, I've got quite a few peppers because I love peppers in my salad. and different kinds of peppers. These are bell peppers. This is 2 rows of 3, so 6 green bell peppers. These are jalapenos, 2 rows of 3, so 6 jalapenos in that array. 1 Pablo ancho. I think those are really hot. This is one I've never grown before, but it's just one large plant. I think those are just hot ones. And we look over here, we've got more. This is a lady bell, and this is a 2 by 2 array. So how many would that be? 2 plus 2 would be, oh, that's right, 4. Here again, oh, these are sweet bananas. I love sweet banana peppers. So good. I like to put those in sandwiches. So again, 2 by 2. 2 plus 2 would be 4 in that array. Another lady bell. That was like this lady bell. So if I have this array of 4 and this array of 4, if we're counting by 4s, 4 plus 4 would be 8. And I think these 3 are the same. That's another lady bell. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 would be 4, 8, 12 lady bells. Let's see what this one is. This is a King Arthur sweet pepper. Oops, can't see the tag. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 rows of 3 in that, that's 6. And right here, 2 rows of 2, that is a jalapeno pepper. Hot, hot, hot. Again, I don't want this video to get too long. I've got my watermelons. I've got my celery, 4 celery plants. I've got some strawberries because Gabe loves strawberries, and I love how it has this little handle on it. It's so cool. It looks like a little lunch box. And those are really large plants, and that's 2 rows of 3, so that's 6. And then I have kale, romaine, iceberg lettuce all over here because I love salads in the summer. And I couldn't find any spinach, so I'm actually doing spinach seeds like we did in school when we planted our seeds in our classroom garden. So I'll be interested to see how those come out because I couldn't find the vegetables already grown. People said these grow fast, so we'll see. So that's the vegetables I'm putting in my garden today, and I'll show you my progress as I go. And then you'll have 2 quick assignments at the end. But here's an overview of the vegetables and fruit that I'm putting in today. All right, guys, 2 questions for your point today. 1, you're going to have to use Google or Safari on your phone or whatever device you're using, and you're going to have to figure out what a 15-sided polygon is called. Remember, a polygon is a closed figure. This is not, when you look at my garden, it is not open, it's closed. All the sides connect with one another, so the whole figure is closed. So you need to figure out what a 15-sided polygon is called, and take a picture of it, or you can just type it into Dojo and send it to me. Either way. Assignment 1. Assignment 2, this onion tray, I had green onions, they're yellow onions. And my yellow onion tray had 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. And in each row there was 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 rows, 10 columns. I'm going to erase that, so if you need to count it, you can pause the video here and count how many there are. Or you could just do 4 groups of 10, hold up 4 fingers, count by 10, or picture a hundreds chart in your head and picture going down the last column in the row of numbers, and that's the tens, 10, 20. We did it a lot in school where we counted down the tens and count down 4 rows. However you need to do it, take a picture of your answer, send it to me, and you'll have 2 if you do both question 1, which is here, 15-sided polygon, and question 2. You can get 2 points today on the star chart. See you at 1 o'clock for share time. Love you. Miss you. Bye.